Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the utilization of Planck's equation. A photon of light with a wavelength of 450 nanometer is emitted during a chemical reaction. Utilizing the Planck's equation, calculate the energy of photon in joule. Alright, in this question, you were given the wavelength, but the wavelength is in nanometer. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to convert this unit into centimeter. So in saying that is 1 nanometer is equivalent to 1 times 10 to the power of negative 7 centimeter. So therefore, what we are going to do is convert this 450 nanometer into centimeter. So 450 times 1 times 10 to the power of negative 7. So you will get 4.5000 times 10 to the power of negative 5 centimeter. Right. Why is it so important for you to convert it into centimeter? Because next up we are going to find what is the wavelength, which is equivalent to the speed of light divided by the nu, which is the frequency. Alright, so now because we have already converted the wavelength into centimeter, we can go on and calculate this. So we have 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 centimeter is equivalent to the speed of light, which is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 10 centimeter per second. And then you need to divide this with your frequency, which the thing that you are going to calculate now. So the frequency, which is the nu, is equivalent to the speed of light, 3.0 times 10 to the power of 10 centimeter per second, divided by your wavelength, which is 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 centimeter. So here we have centimeter above and below. So you will get your frequency is equivalent to 6.6667 times 10 to the power of 14 per second. This is your frequency. But the question asks you to calculate the energy. So from here we can find the energy is equivalent to the Planck constant times your frequency, which is a nu. So the Planck constant is 6.6 times 10 to the power of negative 34 joule second, and then your frequency is 6.6667 times 10 to the power of 14 per second. So here again we can slash this out. You will end up having the energy is equivalent to 4.4000 times 10 to the power of negative 19 joule. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much to everyone for watching this video from the beginning till the end, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.